Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could easily change the location or the folder where your virtual machines are being saved. First of all, click on Oracle VirtualBox to open and wait a few seconds to load. Click on File, Preferences, and at this stage click on Export. Under General, look for Default Machine folder. Click on it, Other, we will select the file and we will click Select Folder and click OK. Close and reopen again to have your settings saved. Let's check again. And as you can see, the folder has been changed. At this stage, any future creation or any virtual machine created here, it will be saved on that specific folder. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.